Hey everyone! Today's video is extra special because it marks the 8th anniversary of my relationship with Sigma Beauty. That's right, I've been using the same set of Sigma makeup brushes for a whopping 8 years, and they have stood the test of time like no other. In this video, I'll be sharing my beloved Sigma collection that has been a constant in my makeup routine. From flawless foundation application to detailed eye looks, this Sigma set has been with me through it all. Just look at how these brushes have held up over the years. Impressive, right? First up, we have the 3DHD Kabuki brush. This brush is specially designed for effortless and even application of liquid foundation, providing a flawless finish. Its soft yet sturdy bristles allow smooth and uniform distribution. The angled design ensures precise and versatile application, allowing for seamless blending throughout the face. Next in line is the 3DHD Precision Brush, ideal for tapping concealer around the eyes and applying liquid foundation to hard-to-reach areas, like around the nose. This brush has a unique three-dimensional angled design similar to the larger 3DHD Kabuki brush. However, this brush is smaller and more precision-focused, featuring a smaller, tapered brush head. For powder application, I use the F25 Tapered Face Brush. This brush adds a beautiful finishing touch to your makeup look. It's a must-have for setting your makeup in place and achieving a flawless, long-lasting finish. It is dense enough to pick up and buff powders perfectly in place, but soft enough to not disturb my foundation. Next up, we have the F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. It's a versatile tool that I primarily use for blush application, thanks to its angled shape that perfectly fits into the hollows of the cheeks, delivering a natural and flattering flush. Occasionally, I also use it for contouring, as its design allows for precise placement and blending. Now, let's transition to eye makeup with the E55 Eye Shading Brush. It helps achieve vibrant and pigmented eye looks. This brush is fantastic for packing on eyeshadow, giving you intense color payoff and making your eyeshadows pop. Its dense bristles deliver intense pigmentation, elevating the impact of your eye makeup. Next in line is the E40 Tapered Blending Brush. A great choice for blending eyeshadows into the crease, thanks to its soft and fluffy bristles that make application easy and pleasant. Moving on to the E20 Short Shader Brush, crafted for precise eyeshadow application and detailed work on the eyes. With its small, flat, and slightly rounded brush head, it's perfect for applying eyeshadow along the lash line and creating intricate eye looks. Last but not least, the E30 Pencil Brush is your handy tool for precision in the details. This small, pointed brush offers great control, making it handy for adding a pop of color to the inner corners or smudging eyeshadow under the eye. And that's it. My complete Sigma brush collection I have been using for the past 8 years. Not a single bristle fell out all this time, proving their great quality at an affordable price. Thanks a lot for sticking with me until the end. If you enjoyed the video, show it some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.